Welcome to Professional Growth. In this video, we shall get to know why insurance is considered as a great career all over the world. Ten reasons to choose a career in insurance. 1. Multiple career opportunities. Insurance offers you a multitude of opportunities. Life insurance. LIC is the only government company and others are private. Non-life insurance. These are 4 PSU companies. Specialized insurance. Reinsurance. Broking firm. These are multinational broking firms. InsurTech. These are the companies that provide technical support to insurance sector in various ways. Insurance software. These are the leading IT companies developing softwares for insurance companies. Surveyors. Surveyors and assessors are independent professionals who assess the loss on behalf of insurance companies. Third-party administrators who are helping in processing health insurance claims. Second, explore different areas. In an insurance company, you can explore a variety of areas and profiles, like underwriting, marketing, commercial line, personal line, actuarial, investment, claim, IT related issues. Third, job security. Getting into insurance sector will give you job security. Fourth, lucrative jobs. There are lucrative and rewarding jobs with bright prospects offered in insurance with an average package of rupees 5 to 8 lakhs in India. Fifth, ever-growing industry. Over the last 4 decades, overall insurance business has been growing constantly. Sixth, ample opportunities for career growth. Insurance offers huge opportunities for career growth. Seventh, work-life balance. Insurance profession supports in maintaining the correct work-life balance. 8. Insurance is a noble profession wherein you sell peace of mind. 9th, earn while you learn. Insurance gives you an option to earn while you learn. 10th, opportunities for new entrepreneurs. Insurance offers an array of opportunities for the young entrepreneurs. To know how to get into insurance profession, you can contact the phone number, email ID and visit the website given here. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos on professional and career development, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.